Alright, today we are going to cut open 4 baby Brazilian agates. And let's go ahead and take a look at them. So, we got one here. Looks like it's going to have some water level bands on the end right there. This one's kind of unusual. It's got a bit of blue showing through the husk. So, expecting we'll get some blue from that one. This one I think will be very nice. It's already, you can see it's broken in half. It's got a nice little geode pocket showing. I think we'll cut this one right through here. Kind of expose more of that geode pocket. And here we have another one. This one's got a lot of white, that white husk. It feels pretty light. From what I've found, it seems like a lot of these ones with the really white husk like that tend to be geodes, so we'll see. And then we have one more here. This one I have no idea. It's more of a white husk. It's kind of a flat, more of a pancake shaped one, so we'll see what's inside of it. Let's go ahead and get these wet real quick and take a look at them. Wet. A better idea of what they look like. Not a whole lot to see there. This one should be interesting. It's got some banding showing right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. And this one is flat pancake. Not much to see there. You can get a better idea of what the banding looks like in this one with it wet. Alright, so let's go ahead and cut these. I'm going to cut them real quick and get back to you guys. Alright, so we went ahead and cut them, and let's go ahead and see what we got. Ooh, this one's got kind of light banding in this one. I don't know how well you guys can see it. It's definitely got bands in there though. It's not what I was expecting. I was expecting a lighter colored inside for this one, but it's not a geode either. I was wrong there. Alright, now the big one. So I tried to avoid any fractures because you can see a lot of fractures in it, but still ended up getting some ugly fractures in there. It's got some nice banding, some nice color. You can see there. That's a pretty one, even though it's got those 3 fractures in there. It'd be a lot better if I kind of wish they weren't in there, but you kind of get what you get with these. Alright, so this one I went ahead and cut it. Made the big cut on this one since it looked like it had water level bands on the bottom there. And this one, yeah, we got those water level bands in there, and not a whole lot going on in the center of this one. Almost a little bit of geode pocket in this one. Those water level bands are pretty though. Alright, our last one here. Ooh, now this is really pretty. You guys can see the dark blue in there. It's really nice. And little tiny geode pocket there, some quartz crystals in the center. Kind of fractured out on the top there a little bit. There's the other half of that one. Real pretty. So, I got a project that I'm planning on. With some of these, I'm going to be slicing them up into thin slices. It's actually a woodworking project, so we'll see how that goes. I may make a short video of that later on. But some of these, you know, when they're lighter colored like this and you slice them, they let quite a bit of light through them. That one's a little bit transparent, but you know, when you make nice thin slices, they look real nice. So, all right, that will conclude today's cutting session. So, we'll join you guys on the next one. Bye.